The OCD is different to your standard tube screamer style overdrives because it pushes a much broader range of frequencies. A tube screamer style overdrive will really focus in on the mid-range and really push that forward. And while the OCD definitely does have a mid-push to it, the overdrive doesn't just focus on the mid-range, it kind of boosts a bit of everything. The end result means that the OCD is actually a very versatile pedal. You can use it in low gain settings to add some of that like chirpy sort of bluesy cleanish boost stuff. You can use it to get some real rock sounds out of it, or you can really push the drive up to get some pretty heavily saturated heavy rock sounds. I wouldn't say that it's aggressive enough to do metal by itself, but with the classic drive on 0 and used as a clean boost, it is actually a pretty awesome metal boost as well. What probably doesn't come out on the recording is how much fun the pedal is to play. It tends to add this real sort of snappy sort of attack to all of your notes, which just makes the pedal feel very responsive and it's very addictive. Personally, to bring that attack out more, I like to run the tone knob pretty high, but at the same time, I've heard this pedal used to great results in pretty much every circumstance. And I think that's what makes the OCD such a useful and such a classic pedal. It's easy to use, it's easy to dial in, and it works for pretty much everything that you want an overdrive pedal for. It's a classic for a reason.